What's up, everybody? I'm Joe Romo, and this is POHBOYS Garage. What's up, everybody? Time to get back to working on the old 240. And it's so hot. You can't really see me. There we are. It's super hot, but it's time to work on the 240. And today I'll be doing the old coilover swap. I bought some new coilovers for the car. Hopefully it makes a big difference. So, yep, let me cool this place down. We'll get to it. But yeah, bought some coilovers for the old S13. And actually they were pretty cheap. I think they're kind of cheaper than, why is that even knocked down? What the hell? Anyways, I think they're even cheaper than eBay coilovers. So I'll dive into it right now. Open up the door, get my airflow in. Yep, it's hot, it's so hot. Here they are. Some MAXPEEDINGRODS Coilovers right here. And these were super cheap. Super cheap. Super cheap. I was kind of hesitant to buy these. I already have tie-in, whatever you guys want to say it, coilovers. And these are about 10 years old. Somewhere around there, about 10 years old. And they're blown. Because on the drift day video and doing the burnout and stuff, the car was still bouncy. So I've already known that the coilovers are blown. I don't have a whole lot of money, so I just went a cheap route and I found the coilovers. So yeah, let's open these up. I ordered gold, so hopefully they'll look nice. I don't know yet. I've opened them up. I've had them in the shop for a while now, and let's see how this goes. Woo! Fresh razor blade. Well, I ordered gold. It's not quite gold, but well, I guess like more like a rose gold. I don't know. I was thinking more like, you know, gold looking. Ugh. So here's one of the fronts. Yeah, I'm kind of excited to see how it will feel different from the blown coilovers I already have. And I bought these probably about 8 to 9 years ago. I bought the coilovers, about 750 bucks. The coilovers on the car right now, I forget, I think they're like Super Street, tan, whatever coilovers, and I think they're like $1,100 brand new. But the cool thing about these guys right here is they're super cheap. Online it says they're about like $320, something like that online. When I went to check out of the shopping cart, I found this discount code that pretty much brought the coilovers down to 250 bucks, free shipping, and boom, they're at the house within a week. And that's so cheap. So I'm really hoping that these coilovers will be stiff. They'll be great. I mean, I read reviews on them. There's these pro people who drive them. They're probably built a little different. I don't know. I'm just hoping that'll be more stiff, not bouncy. It'll be a fun ride. So yeah, let's get to installing them. Woo. So I'm gonna start with the fronts, because obviously the car's already up and I gotta jack up the rear. So I'll take off this front one, match it up with the new one, and go to the passenger side. I'll move to the back, jack it up, and I'll show you the rest on that side. So yep, it is a 14, and let's get to it, baby. Oh my god, it's not long enough. I need a longer 14, man. Alright, I got these all nice and loosened. Next thing we're gonna do is use a flathead, pull off the little brake line clip. Let's see if I can just push it up with this without getting a rubber mallet. Alright, there we go, baby. Alright, there we go. Got it off. Pull it out. Yeah, there we go. Got that. So then these are 17s. Let's see. Double check. Oh, they're bigger than 17s. All right. They got probably 19s. Funny, these are the bolts I got from Lowe's a long time ago. Since I didn't have my or something happened with the ones I had. It's gonna drop too hard. Pull this guy out. There you go. Oh, I got tape on it still when I painted it. Dang, that was like 2 years old. That's funny. There you go. This has been in the car for about 8 years, 9 years. Okay, and they're TN tie-in Control Master Type Flex. I don't know if you guys can see it, I can't tell. And here they are, side by side. Old, over 10 years old coilovers compared to the new $250 coilovers. But yeah, same thing as a 24-way damper. These are full camber adjuster. Adjust it all I want. So I'll just adjust it to what I had earlier on the old setup, and we'll just throw it back on the 240 and work our way around. We got our supervisor here. What's up, supervisor? Everything good? Everything checks out? So it's been like 4, 5, maybe 6 months since I put the coilovers on, and I just never finished the episode. Other things kind of came first, but anyways, they're in the car, installed right here. Look at that, they're installed and everything. Adjust it all I want. Right now I think they're all on soft right now. All around, I don't know, there's so much dust. I don't know if you've seen the Trunk or Treat episode, but I had them installed in the car. We went to Trunk or Treat or that pharmacy board shop, and I just haven't done anything else with them. Haven't adjusted them, the ride height, anything, because it's like I don't have a set of rims yet to really dedicate how I want my suspension set up. So I just gotta blah blah blah. But since once my rims come in, then I'll be able to adjust the height of the suspension, and we'll be able to feel the difference. I mean, it felt really stiff. I really liked them when I drove a couple blocks down the street. It was really not that far, but it was a big difference from my blown coilovers. But today I am just gonna prep the car for winter. Over here in the high desert, it kind of gets a little too cold. Things start freezing up. So I'm gonna drain the radiator. Right now all I have is distilled water in the block and the radiator and everything. So get the old jack over here, and we'll jack up the car and we'll drain the radiator. Oh, woohoo! Alright, so I loosened it up. The old drain plug. Oh, I can't even move today. Just drain this out and then we'll add the fluid. It's kind of nasty. Oh. Just a bunch of water. Let me open up the top cap. Probably splashed. Yeah, I splashed the screen. Hold on. There we go. Alright, now it's all drained. Let's throw the drain plug back in, and then we will add the radiator fluid and start her up. Alright, well, this next day, the battery died, it got dark, and it got really cold. But the fluid has been changed out. We're all good on that part. Only problem is it sounded pretty weird. I don't know what's happening with the engine. It sounds like a little knocking, but I could be wrong. But yeah, I'm just gonna end it. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching all the episodes. Thank you for being an awesome subscriber, and thank you for just writing and saying hi to everything and saying what's up to us. But on that note, catch you guys on the next episode. Make sure you give it a big old thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Woohoo!